Feeling more tired than usual, struggling with concentration, mood swings, or even strange tingling in your hands and feet. These could be serious red flags that your body is low on vitamin B12, and you're not alone. B12 deficiency is actually more common than you might think, affecting millions of people worldwide. In fact, it's estimated that around 6% of people under 60 and up to 20% of those over 60 are B12 deficient. And the symptoms, they're often easy to miss. In today's video, we're revealing 11 signs that you might have a vitamin B12 deficiency, and some of them might surprise you. From unexplained fatigue to memory problems, your body might be sending you signals that it's running low on this crucial vitamin. The scariest part. Many of these symptoms can creep up slowly and get worse over time if you don't catch them early. But don't worry. We're here to help you spot the signs before they turn into something more serious. So if you've been feeling off lately or just want to make sure your body is getting what it needs, stick around. We'll break down the 11 signs of B12 deficiency, how they affect your body, and what you can do to fix it. You don't want to ignore these warning signs. So without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Fatigue. One of the first and most common signs of a vitamin B12 deficiency is fatigue. This type of tiredness is different from your typical exhaustion after a long day. It's persistent and doesn't go away after a good night's sleep. You might feel winded just walking up a flight of stairs or worn out after doing something as simple as making breakfast. So, why does this happen? Well, vitamin B12 plays a critical role in producing red blood cells. These cells transport oxygen around your body. Without enough B12, your red blood cell count drops, leading to anemia, and without enough oxygen in your tissues, everything slows down. Your muscles, your brain, even your mood, everything feels like it's running on empty. Number 2. Swollen red tongue. A swollen, sore tongue might not be the first thing you think of when it comes to vitamin B12 deficiency, but it's a telltale sign. This condition is known as glossitis, where your tongue becomes inflamed, making it red, smooth, and painful. B12 is necessary for cell reproduction, and without it, the cells in your mouth can't regenerate properly, leading to a swollen tongue or even ulcers. It can feel uncomfortable to eat, drink, or even speak, and you may also notice a change in your sense of taste. This sign is often accompanied by a burning sensation or sensitivity to certain foods, making mealtime a challenge. Number 3. Pale or jaundiced skin. Have you noticed your skin looking a little more pale or yellowish lately? This change in your complexion can be linked to a lack of B12. Vitamin B12 is necessary for the production of healthy red blood cells. When you're deficient, the body struggles to produce enough of these cells, leading to a condition called megaloblastic anemia. In this type of anemia, the red blood cells become large and fragile, breaking down more easily and releasing a substance called bilirubin, which can cause your skin to take on that yellowish tinge. Number 4. Numbness or tingling. That odd, tingling feeling in your hands or feet. It's not something to brush off. It could be a sign that your nervous system is in distress from a lack of vitamin B12. This happens because vitamin B12 plays an essential role in maintaining the myelin sheath, which is a protective coating that protects your nerves. When B12 levels are low, the myelin sheath can start to break down, leaving your nerves exposed and vulnerable. This can cause nerve damage, leading to sensations of numbness, tingling, or the feeling of pins and needles. It often starts subtly, like a faint buzzing or prickling in your extremities. Over time, the tingling may become more intense or even painful. If left untreated, this nerve damage can lead to more serious mobility issues. Before we continue, if you have been finding the video helpful so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 5. Shortness of breath and dizziness. Finding it harder to catch your breath or feeling dizzy when you stand up? These symptoms can also point to a B12 deficiency. As mentioned earlier, vitamin B12 deficiency can cause anemia, which means fewer red blood cells are available to transport oxygen throughout your body. Less oxygen means your body has to work harder, leading to shortness of breath, especially during physical activities. You may notice yourself huffing and puffing after climbing stairs or carrying groceries. Feeling lightheaded or faint, when standing up quickly can also be common. Number 6. Difficulty walking. If your legs feel wobbly or you notice that you're stumbling more often, this could be another signal that vitamin B12 is low. So, why does this happen? Well, just like the tingling sensation, difficulty walking can happen because of nerve damage caused by a lack of B12. When your nervous system isn't working properly, your balance and coordination can be affected. You might feel clumsy, trip easily, or even feel unsteady on your feet for no clear reason. Over time, this can become more serious, especially in older adults, leading to falls and fractures. Number 7. Mood changes. Believe it or not, your mood can be directly impacted by vitamin B12 levels. If you've been feeling more anxious, depressed, or irritable lately, your brain might be lacking this key nutrient. B12 helps produce brain chemicals like serotonin and dopamine, which are responsible for regulating mood. When you're lacking B12, these chemicals can become imbalanced, leading to feelings of depression, anxiety, or irritability. The emotional impact can range from mild blues to more severe mental health issues, making it harder to cope with daily life and potentially leading to long-term consequences if the deficiency isn't addressed. You might feel more on edge or sad for no apparent reason. It can also feel like you're in a fog, with low motivation or a lack of interest in activities you usually enjoy. Number 8. Heart palpitations. Feeling like your heart is pounding out of your chest, especially after light exercise or even while resting. This could be linked to low B12 levels. Anemia caused by B12 deficiency makes your heart work harder to pump oxygen throughout your body. As a result, you might experience heart palpitations, where your heart beats irregularly or feels like it's skipping beats. It's not just an uncomfortable sensation. It can be a sign that your cardiovascular system is under stress, which could lead to more serious heart problems down the line if left unchecked. Number 9. Blurred vision. If your vision has started to blur or you're seeing shadows or floaters, this could be another surprising symptom of low vitamin B12 levels. This can happen because vitamin B12 deficiency can affect the optic nerve, which connects your eyes to your brain. Damage to this nerve can impair your vision and cause blurry or double vision. You might notice that it's harder to focus on things, or your vision may appear dim or fuzzy. In severe cases, damage to the optic nerve can become permanent if left untreated. Number 10. Cognitive decline. Can't seem to remember where you put your keys or find yourself losing track of conversations. Memory issues and cognitive decline are other serious signs of a vitamin B12 deficiency. Low levels of B12 can lead to damage in the nervous system and brain. This affects your cognitive function, making it harder to think clearly, remember things, or concentrate on tasks. You may find it harder to focus at work or school, forget appointments, or feel like you're constantly in a mental fog. Over time, this can become more noticeable and disruptive to daily life. Number 11. Muscle weakness. If carrying the groceries or climbing stairs feels harder than usual, muscle weakness might be a sign of vitamin B12 deficiency. Your muscles need oxygen to function properly, and with fewer red blood cells transporting oxygen due to low B12, your muscles can tire more easily. This weakness can affect your arms, legs, or even your grip strength, making everyday tasks feel more challenging. In some cases, the weakness is accompanied by muscle cramps, adding discomfort to the already frustrating loss of strength. How to fix a vitamin B12 deficiency. If you've recognized some of these symptoms in yourself, don't worry, there are plenty of ways to boost your vitamin B12 levels and get your health back on track. Let's break down each method so you can find the best approach for you. Number 1. Eat more B12-rich foods. The easiest way to fix a mild B12 deficiency is by increasing your intake of foods that are naturally high in B12. Meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy are all excellent sources of B12. Beef liver and clams are particularly high in B12. If you're a vegetarian or vegan, you'll need to rely on fortified foods, as plant-based foods don't naturally contain B12. Examples of these include fortified breakfast cereals, plant-based milk alternatives, and nutritional yeasts are fortified with B12. Number 2. B12 supplements. If dietary changes alone aren't enough, or if you have trouble absorbing B12 from food due to conditions like pernicious anemia or digestive issues. Taking a supplement can be a simple and effective way to fix a deficiency. Oral supplements are widely available over the counter in most drugstores. Look for methylcobalamin or cyanocobalamin, the most common forms of B12. Your doctor can recommend the right dose based on your deficiency level. Another form of supplements, sublingual tablets or sprays. These dissolve under your tongue and are absorbed directly into the bloodstream, bypassing the digestive system. This can be helpful if your body has trouble absorbing B12 from food. Number 3. B12 shots. In cases of severe deficiency or absorption issues, your doctor might recommend B12 injections. These injections deliver B12 directly into your bloodstream, bypassing the need for absorption in the stomach. They are typically given once a week or as needed until your levels return to normal. Now we want to hear from you. Are you experiencing any of these signs? Was it actually a vitamin B12 deficiency? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.